Have you ever heard that intense growl from your stomach? It's not just noise, it's your body sending a strong message. Hunger is a mix of hormones, brain signals, and energy needs. When your stomach is empty, it releases grelin, the hunger hormone, alerting your brain that it's time to eat. But your brain is also key. It tracks your energy and nutrient levels. Skipping meals causes your blood sugar to drop, leading to those hunger pangs. And emotions play a role too. Stress, boredom, or happiness can spark cravings. It's not only about physical needs, it's emotional as well. Certain foods can lift your mood by releasing feel-good chemicals in your brain. So, when you feel hungry, remember it's more than just your stomach. It's your body, brain, and emotions working together. Don't forget to follow Knowledge Facts for more interesting videos.